Hey guys, welcome back to my video game dev log for my tower defense game that I've been working on in my free time. So it's been a little bit since my last video. I've been working on all of the, or not all of them, but a couple of the models for the game and redoing some of the GUI stuff. So I have like this stone tower, this arrow tower, this ice thing. They're just kind of like a temporary or just a start for some of my models. So I've never used Blender before, so it's been took me a little bit to kind of get a hang of it, but I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. There's a lot of good tutorials out there. But yeah, I just kind of been making like a first draft of some of like the towers and some of the projectiles. So like here's like my arrow tower that I've been doing. Just gonna put like some arrows around it and a box and just trying to get something going. So my game just trying to get something going so it doesn't, it's not just a bunch of empty objects and stuff. So here's like my stone tower. Some cannons that I did on top of it. What I want to do is, as you upgrade the tower, the model will change. So I might be kind of like taking apart this model, like maybe it just starts with one cannon and slowly kind of builds up to look more complete like it is now. But for now, just trying to get some models into the game. So like the ice tower. And then you kind of can see like the arrow projectile going. Oh, I also implemented a stun game mechanic. So like this arrow tower has a 10% chance to stun them. I don't really have like an icon for it yet, so it's just using this placeholder. The weather finally is starting to get pretty nice out, so I took a break and went outside. So as far as like the UI goes, I've been kind of like rebuilding it, kind of restructuring a lot of code. So on the right hand side, I have my action panel, and on the left hand side, I have my info panel. So for example, like when I open up the shop, that opens up the action panel for the shop class. And when I'm clicking around in the shop, the info panel will change to show info about that tower in the shop. So I can kind of see details about the arrow tower that I have selected, and I can kind of see details about the cannon tower selected. This ghost thing is kind of a bug. I'm still kind of messing with the ghost stuff. That'll probably be a future video. But yeah, I can kind of like click through all these and look at the stats of the tower that I'm about to build. Let me just restart this. And then for the, I also implemented a way to select your current tower. It shows info about that tower and like an on hover, so I can see like the dot damage, the slow, how much damage is doing. I've also started a basic upgrade button. So I'll probably do a future video on the upgrade button. I just did a quick thing just to get started. But you can now kind of upgrade towers and see their damage and stuff. But I think that's about it for this video. The modeling takes a lot longer for me than coding some of like the features of the info panel and action panel. But yeah, that GUI will need to be redone too. I'm just trying to get the basics in there, just something functional, and then I can replace the assets at a later point. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.